we're going to create a new outdoor entertaining area with floating curved seating. In order to create the illusion of floating seating, we need to create a structure strong enough to support a cantilever. We start by creating a 300mm base in reinforced concrete. We will tie this into the existing slab by drilling, fitting resin, and then rebar.
The metal formwork will be on the straight areas and the ply will be in the curved and more difficult sections.
This is a C40 concrete, which is generally used for structural support beams, multi-story buildings, and construction depots with high HGV traffic. Once this is dry, on top we'll pour the backrest, which will be angled at the top section. We're using a vibrating poker to remove air bubbles to ensure consistency and strength of the concrete is not compromised. At this point, the L-shaped profile of the base will be covered in soil, which will act as a balance weight.
The client has chosen a matte concrete finish. We first need to apply this primer. Now this will prepare it for the next layers and it's also going to give it waterproofing capabilities. After the primer, we will use 2 coats of the cement product. Then we will apply the painted matte concrete finish and follow up with 2 layers of sealant.
The render is now being prepared for the matte concrete finish. We're cleaning the surface of dirt and form sanding to remove any build-ups to ensure the desired shape is achieved.
Once we have the dimensions, the steel will be laser cut, welded and galvanized.
6 to 8mm fillet welds were used to join all of the steel, which is 10mm thick. Each of these sections weighs roughly 200 kilos. The engineer's design for attaching was an L-shaped 100mm by 100mm bracket welded to each frame. Fixings through the main frames and then bolts locking the frames together. So a mag drill was used to pre-drill all of the holes to assist us with installation. First we used timber to support the weight of the frames and get them into position. We then drilled through the pre-drilled holes into the backrest, removed the dust, applied resin to create a chemical anchor with the bolts. Once these were dry, we fastened the bolts, bolted the frames together and gave it a lick of paint. Sapele timber was selected, which is an African hardwood. On site, each and every section needed to be cut at the front and back to accommodate the frame, the length cut down to the correct size, and planed to eliminate sharp edges and achieve a smooth finish. Then, each section was submerged in a wood preserver twice. Once dry, a UV protection satin clear oil was applied. After drying, the process was finished with 2 coats of Osmo oil brushed in. We then mechanically fixed the timbers to the galvanized steel frame. Head to the Ashville YouTube channel to watch the full video now.